Are you tired of chemicals? Are you tired of ineffective means of controlling weeds in the crop row? We have the solution you're looking for. Many farmers appreciate the fact that the row crop flamer kills weeds and pests. This dual-purpose unit is the only sure way to kill resistant broadleafs, grasses, and harmful insects, and it's all done naturally. Chemicals are becoming less effective and increasingly difficult to use. Meanwhile, organically grown produce and feed grains are demanding premium market prices. At a time like this, old ideas become new again, and yesterday's methods become today's solutions. So now is the time for flaming. Many people are surprised to learn that flame cultivation is actually a process that dates back nearly 150 years. Flaming today builds and improves on the same principles that made it a popular weed and insect control method among cotton and corn growers. Flaming's original practitioners discovered that by carefully directing a flame into the row, unwanted weeds and insects could be controlled without damaging the crop. And with today's propane-fueled equipment, flaming is more effective, more efficient, and safer than ever before. The popularity of flaming declined sharply in the 60s and 70s as farmers discovered chemicals. At the time, little was known as to how herbicides and pesticides might affect the environment. Chemicals were new and easy to use. As a result, flaming almost disappeared. But times change. And today, flaming is back, because today we are beginning to see the harmful effects of herbicide and pesticide use. Groundwater resources are at risk from harmful chemical runoff, and in fact, many such resources have already experienced some level of contamination. Unwanted vegetation can, over time, develop a resistance to many chemicals. But with flame weeding, a concentrated flame of 2,000 degrees kills weeds and harmful insects, neither of which can develop an immunity to such heat. By using clean-burning, inexpensive propane from your local dealer, flaming also compares favorably with the cost of chemical weed control. Most crops can be treated using between 4 and 7 gallons of propane per acre. So even if your propane costs reach $1 per gallon, your cost per treatment is still only $4 to $7 per acre. And flaming is pollution and hassle-free. There's no dangerous runoff to worry about, nothing to measure, no special clothing required. And with flaming, even the weather is of little concern. Dry or wet, as long as you can get a tractor into the field, you can flame. And if it rains just minutes after flame weeding a field, the treatment is still effective. Weeds need only be exposed to the heat for a split second for a flame kill to occur. The thumbprint means that the cell structure of the weed has been destroyed. In just minutes, the plant will demonstrate signs of stress and begin to wilt. And as the weed decays, beneficial nutrients will be returned to the soil. The results are better growing conditions for crops, no ground contamination, and greater yields. And while weeds may continue to germinate after flaming, particularly in a wet year, the crops will soon shade the weeds and render them less able to compete for sunlight and soil nutrients. And of course, a flaming treatment can be repeated as necessary with no risk to the environment. Flaming is effective in virtually any hardy row crop, whether it's cotton, soybeans, or milo, corn, potatoes, onions, carrots, or many others. So long as the weeds are shorter than the crops, flaming can be employed as a safe, efficient means of weed control. So the time is right for flaming, and for the right flaming equipment, look to Flame Engineering. At Flame Engineering, we've been designing and manufacturing top-quality propane torch equipment for over 40 years. Here in the heart of America, La Crosse, Kansas, our Red Dragon line of products is designed and built by people who know flaming and farming equipment. Each of our products is precision-made with the expertise and quality you deserve. And the Red Dragon Row Crop Flamer is no exception. Available in 2, 4, 6, and 8-row units, the Red Dragon Row Crop Flamer is built with durability, safety, and convenience in mind. The complete unit installs quickly and easily with a standard 3-point attachment. Also available are row crop flamer kits, which attach to your existing cultivator or toolbar. Once the torches are lit, the operator simply positions the unit for flaming and switches from the pilot setting to the working flame. The operator enjoys full safety control from the driver's seat, as the unit can be completely shut down with the flip of a switch. The propane tank and controls are protected by this roll bar and roll cage. And the unit's quality construction means low maintenance too. The use of stainless steel tubing and brass controls prevents rust in the torch orifice. When occasional cleaning is necessary, both the orifice and this special torch vaporizer tube are easily accessible. A fuel strainer at the tank keeps debris from entering the system. All of the controls and hoses are designed specifically for LP gas use, and we safety test each burner. The Red Dragon Row Crop Flamer can use any of 3 burner models, designed to work in nearly any row crop. The unique V-shaped design of our burners produces a wide, flat flame for quicker, more effective flaming. So, where's the smoke? Well, row crop flaming isn't meant to burn weeds, but merely to subject the leaf tissue to enough heat to destroy cell structure. That means the tractor can move throughout the field at speeds of 3 to 6 miles per hour for effective weed control. And because the crop is green and growing, there's little vegetation that will actually burn, and very little smoke. Just safe, effective weed control. No chemical residues, no chemical runoff, and no groundwater contamination. So the environmental benefit is immeasurable and will pay dividends for generations to come. At Flame Engineering, we've been in the propane torch business since the early 1960s. We take pride in the fact that our products are used around the world, as well as right here in our own backyard. We take special pride in knowing that our Red Dragon Row Crop Flamer is helping producers enjoy more cost-effective farming, better yields, and safer, cleaner fields. The Red Dragon Row Crop Flamer, because it's time. For more information about the Red Dragon Row Crop Flamer or for the location of your nearest dealer, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-255-2469.